Hi, what's up, guys? Welcome to Miss Malet Kitchen. If it's your first time here, welcome. We're glad to add you to the family. Today, I'm going to show you my version of fajita chicken recipe for tacos. Comment, like, and subscribe to this channel for more content. So, new video for new tips and tricks. Wash my hand. My chicken is already clean. It's already washed and clean. I actually wash it with some lime and vinegar. Okay, so I'm using one breast chicken. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Okay, chili powder. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Cover it. Okay, I'm going to use just about half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, because the salsa pico de gallo I'm gonna make is not gonna be spicy, so we need a little kick on the cayenne pepper. And then we're going to add some black pepper. We're gonna add about half a teaspoon of black pepper, not too much. Okay, and we're gonna add some cumin. You don't need a lot of cumin. Okay, and also I'm going to add some adobo seasoning. If you all know me, I don't measure my adobo seasoning. And also we're going to add a little bit of all-purpose Greek seasoning. Okay, I'm gonna add some olive oil. Add some lime juice. I'm using olive oil. It's about like two spoons of olive oil. Okay, we're going to add the chicken. That's how you want the pan to be, really hot. Okay. We're gonna give it about 2 minutes, and we're gonna turn our chicken. Okay, so I'm gonna turn my chicken now. It has been 2 minutes. Before I turn it, I'm gonna add a little bit of ginger juice. You already know I cook with ginger, everything with ginger. Okay, so look at that. Okay, this is how we want our chicken to be. So in total, we're going to be cooking this chicken for about 4 to 5 minutes. It don't need a lot because I slide the chicken very thin. They're not thick, so about, alright, so we're going to leave it for another 2 to 3 minutes, okay? Alright guys, so we're gonna check our chicken. See that? Nice and golden brown. Look at that. We're gonna add some water to it, not too much, because we want juicy chicken, okay? We don't want anything dry. We want a nice juicy chicken. Okay, now that we transferred the chicken, we're gonna add our pepper and onions, green pepper, red pepper, and onions. So because the chicken already has seasoning, I'm not gonna add anything to it, but a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. And I'm gonna add about three whole garlic, in there because I don't want the garlic to be cooked all the way. So I add it almost at the end. So, okay, I add about 3 whole garlic in there. We're gonna stir. We're gonna add the chicken back. See? Look at that. See the juice? My fajita chicken tacos, okay? And I'm gonna take you over to show you how I make my pico de gallo. What's fajita tacos without pico de gallo? Guys, so to make this pico de gallo, I'm using tomatoes. We have Roma tomatoes, onions, and also cilantro. Okay, I usually add some jalapenos, so I don't have jalapenos, but we're just gonna do it without it. All right, lime juice. Okay, then I add about 1 lime. Okay, so we add the lime. I add about half a teaspoon of chicken bouillon. All right, this much. A lot goes a long way, so I'm not gonna add too much. Okay, this is it. And we're gonna add about half a teaspoon of salt. Okay. Right, and you're gonna stir it, so you don't add anything else. You're gonna let it sit for about a couple minutes, and then we're gonna try it. Okay. And guys, that is my final result on how to make best fajita chicken recipe for tacos. Okay, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, guys, and come back for some more. All right, share and like this video. Again, this is Miss Malet Kitchen.